So today it said there was only a 20% chance of rain, and it is currently raining. So I have rigged up this box that they can get in because it is dripping in our run despite our tarp. And it will hopefully keep that food dry. Rain got in the last batch and we had to toss it all. So we will see how that works out. And a chipmunk has discovered this. I'm not sure the girls are figured out that they're supposed to try to keep him away. But currently this rain isn't really bothering them. It does seem to be bothering our chipmunk friend over there. And we're also doing a good coop clean out today, and we are going to try adding the sawdust in here with the other food scraps and stuff that they could pick up for a little bit and see if they'll turn it into some compost. And if not, it's where we will take our we'll use it as mulch around our trees and bushes. So that is our plan for that. Miss Mila here seems to be doing so much better. Her feathers are looking better on her backside, a little more full. And the rest of them seem to be doing well. Miss Papaya. Hi, are you curious about me? I believe that one is Clementine. Her head's a little darker. And Fluffernutter here with those rumpled feathers on her back. They're the two that I have the hardest time telling apart right now. But I think that Clementine's going to be a little darker as she gets older, and that it will become easier. And then Mila is the lightest of our lavenders. And she's got the two-tone beak there. And then we've got Niffler and Olive. That one's Olive right there. And I'm noticing that she is starting to get those red markings under her neck. So I'm just watching her, I guess. I was told she was younger than the other two. She's the only one that's really showing those. I mean, Niffler has them a little bit, but not like Olive does. Hi, Fluffernutter. Let's see if I can get that for you. And Olive's home is just a little more pronounced as well. I mean, not too much more than Niffler's. There's Niffler. Hi! And here's also. She's being watched. Hopefully we do have an Olive and not an Oliver. I would think at this point that maybe they'd start making extra noise, but who knows. Mila, are they pushing you out? Need to get a bigger box for you, huh? Yeah? I just love these girls and hope that you enjoy watching them as well. Have an excellent day.